Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided chignon. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting and sectioned off a few pieces to frame the face. Next, we're going to section off the hair from the ear upwards on one side, and we're just going to simply create a 3-strand braid. Make sure that you angle this braid towards the back of the head. And then repeat the same braid on the opposite side. And all we're going to do is combine those two braids together using a clear elastic band. Now, starting on the left hand side, we're going to take a chunk of hair, smooth it out, and we're just going to pop our fingers behind the braid on that side, pass the hair to your fingers and pull it through. So basically you've wrapped it around that braid, and then just secure this in place with a bobby pin or two. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. So take a slice of hair, pop your fingers behind the braid, pass the hair to your fingers and loop it over that braid. And then just secure it with a bobby pin. With the remaining hair that's hanging down, we're again going to do another simple 3-strand braid, and we're going to tie it off with a clear elastic band. Make sure on the last turn of that elastic band you only pull the ends part way through so you create a small loop. Now just take hold of that loop, and all we're going to do is roll it up towards the head. Once you've reached the nape of the neck, just secure the top and sides of that little bun with a few bobby pins. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.